Okay, hi. Today I'm going to demonstrate how the function of DC power supply. You can see how it is lightweight DC power supply. Maximum capacity is 400 watt. That is 0 to 40 volt and 0 to 40 amperes. So basic model of this power supply is PWR401 series. So I can going to explain all the each and every function of DC power supply. So this is the set functions. So from here you can set your required voltage and current. So like I am going to set some voltage on display, like this is a 15 voltage, and you can limit the current depending upon the load consumption. So here I am going to set like a 7 ampere, means it will limit your load up to the 7 amperes if it is load is more than the 7 amperes. So it will show CC, means constant current indication display. This is a OVP and OCP, means over voltage production, and OCP means over current productions. So right now it is a maximum OVP is 44 voltage, that is 110% of the set voltage, and 44 amperes means 110% of your set currents, that is 0 to 40 amperes. So it is right now set at 44 amperes. This is configuration. Configuration basically provide to control this power supply through the external control, like by applying the analog control signals 0 to 10 volts, we can control the output voltage of this power supply. This is a memory locations. We need to escape from the main menu. This is a main menu. This is memory. Basically there is 3 different panel memories mentioned on display, A, B, C. So we can set the panel setting value in 3 different locations. Okay, this is a power display. Right now this is a voltage and current. If you see, the slices W means wattage display. So we can also monitor the wattage display during the load consumptions when output being used of this power supply. Local means basically when your system is connected with this power supply, all control being controlled by the system. So if you want to change anything, you want to change from the power supply, you need to press the local. So if you press the local, it will disconnect from the systems and you can change any parameters like voltage and current. This is a knob that you can only change the voltage settings. Here you can see this is a knob for current. You can only change the value of the currents. If you want to fine tuning, you need to press the shift, then press the fine tuning. This is fine tuning. You are pressing the continuous shift, and this is by changing the voltage or changing the current for a fine tuning. This is a front output terminals. You can get the plus minus terminals, and you will get the output from here also. It is also parallelly you can get the output from the back side also. So I am going to set some voltage, like right now the set voltage is 14 volt. So when I press the switch of the output, we generate the output, and we can see in this multimeter. You see how it is accurately generating the output voltage. Generating output voltage, that is approximately 100% accuracy it is there. So by changing the output now, you can monitor the output voltage. You can see the 40 voltage maximum. So it is a 40 voltage. So it will show when some load is connected, like a LED bulb or something like that. It will show the load current on this emitter sections. So I will show some external control phases. So this is LXI. LXI means you can control this power supply through the LAN connectivity. And I will show the back side of this power supply, what are the things I mentioned. If you check, this is the LAN sections, means we will connect the line here. When the line is connected, the power supply will be controlled through the line operations. This is a trigger in, external applying the external trigger. This is a trigger out. This USB means we are applying the command through your system to control this power supply, like turning on the output or setting some DC voltage on this power supply. So all features in this power supply, and this is the best in the market to use your application for a complex as DC power supply. Yeah, thank you. We will show you in the second video how to what is the function of CV and CC functions. Thank you.